This is Rafiqul Islam. Today I will show you how to cook Bhuna Khichuri. That is very popular and also delicious food in Bangladesh and even in the west part of West Bengal in India. So I can show you, introduce with the ingredients of this food. But before that, I want to tell you about the Bhuna Khichuri. Actually, people like this food, and we prepare this food normally when some rainy days and little bit the weather is cooler. Then people like very much this Bhuna Khichuri, and they add this Bhuna Khichuri with fried hilsha fish, or sometimes Bhuna beef, or even chicken. Sometimes they use also fried eggs. And the vegetarian people also add some vegetables like eggplant, fried eggplant, or some other vegetables. I want to introduce first with the ingredients. This is rice. This is basmati rice we used here in the Philippines. Another one is different kind of pulses. Green peas, we will add green chili. This one is garlic. One garlic we use. This one is onion. We will use 3 onions for our cooking. This is cumin. I will use a small amount of cumin. Then cardamom and also cinnamon. Maybe 4-5 small piece of cinnamon. This one is clove. I will also use 3 to 4 cloves. This one is turmeric powder. We need add some salt. Also we use some ginger. This one is blended ginger. This one is butter oil. We normally call this one is ghee. This one is the bay leaf oil. We will use soybean oil. Okay, now I am adding all soybean oil into the pot. Okay, now I'll add the onion. So in this stage of cooking, the onion is frying already. So in this stage, maybe we can go for washing our rice and also pulses. Because after finishing this one, I will add rice and pulses inside of this pot. So maybe I can go for washing the rice and pulses. Okay. Then we will put them in the pot. Now it is almost browning this onion. So before brown, I want to put some other ingredients like ginger. I now add the ginger to this with them and mix with this. I have to fry also ginger with oil. Now also add all the cumin here, and I add them. And mix with all of this oil and onion. And I also add this bay leaf. Maybe I can turn this one. Then it will be fragrance more, and it will be scented, the whole things. I will also add cinnamon to 3-4 pieces to increase the scent and also the taste. Now I am also adding cardamom. It will be little bit burst, then the scent will come very soon. Okay, and mixed all of them. Now I want to add also chili, green chili. Then it will be also a little bit fried. I will add all the green peas. I want to fry them. And also I will maybe add later, not problem. Now I am adding also carrots. It's almost finished. And also garlic. Also garlic. Onion and garlic I will always mix. Within 1 2 minutes I will add rice. Now it's okay. Now I am adding all the rice and also the pulses. So we'll fry it little bit more time. This is almost the last time. So I'll add now the turmeric powder for its good color and also different taste. Maybe you can use, I think it will be more, maybe you can use less. If required, we'll put later. Okay, I can keep this amount. Maybe I can also add it the final ingredient, that is our butter oil. Oh, another one, salt. I need to add also some salt. Now we add all. Actually, this one is 1 spoon only. I think now we have finished because my rice is telling that they are already fried. So maybe we can just need to add water. All the water. So now it is almost going on. Okay, now I am adding the salt for taste. I think this is enough. Now I am to close this pressure cooker. Okay, so maybe we can now wait for 5-6 minutes. Okay, we have hopefully finished our cooking and we will see what happened. Yes, that one is good. After just we mix this one, then we will put in a bowl for serve. So this is finally the Bhuna Khichuri.